Hello guys, let's introduce the function of the handle switch. Press this switch and the attachment will rotate forward. Press this switch, control the attachment rotate backward. This switch locks it to keep rotating continuously. Click this button to keep rotating continuously. This switch controls the hydraulic circuit. When the attachment needs to rotate, the hydraulic circuit must be opened. So this is the open button. This is the closed button. This switch is for the lights. Turn on the light, close the light, reserve the port. This is the override switch. When you are not standing on the machine, the joysticks remain inactive for safety. Only by returning on the override switch, you can operate the machine. This is the horn switch. The left joystick to control the machine move. Push forward to move forward. Pull backward to move backward. And to the left. And to the right. The right joysticks to control the boom and the bucket. Forward and backward to control the boom. And left and right to control the bucket.